Hey guys, me Chris. Right now outside it's snowing. Look at that. It's hecka snowing right now. I'm going outside, guys. Yeah. Watch me, watch me. I got my jacket on. All right. Alarm is off. Good. Holy crap, it's cold. It's 23 degrees right now, man. Oh my god, it's cold. Holy crap. Yeah, I can see like outside here. It's so windy. Alright, I'm gonna see. Damn. Ah, it's cold. Oh my goodness! Dang! Hey, I'm not shivering, guys. Dang, I can see outside. It's like so. Ah! I don't think I can handle outside. It's cold as crap. Ah! I'm shivering, man. Why am I doing this? So it's not slippery right now, but it will eventually. Look outside. I'm gonna go inside. I don't think I can stay this long. I'm shivering right now. My hands. Yeah, it's snowing, guys. I'll keep up to date tomorrow. But I'm going inside, man. I'm not gonna show the. There's like a street number. I'm not gonna show it. Damn, look at that. Wow. The wind is blowing. Whoa! Ah! I'm out. All right, later, guys.